Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today in this video we are going to install VMware Tools in Linux. Okay, so for Arch and Manjaro and other Arch based distros you have to execute one of these two commands. Alright, and for other distributions you just go to this link here. Let me open it up fastly. Here you can see, so in the VMware machine I'm using Ubuntu here. Okay, so I'll be just updating the sources here. First of all, sudo apt update, press enter, type the user password. Okay, so it will first of all update the sources. Same you have to do for others also. These are here. Okay, and now after updating them you just have to execute this command here, sudo apt install open VM tools desktop. I'm using this B command because the VMware is graphical user interface. All right, otherwise you have to install open VM tools, this third command. Okay, I'll be just pressing enter here. Just type Y and press enter, and they have got successfully installed. And now you can see that the full screen is working. Earlier it was not working, right? Let's reboot for once. Okay, set it down and start it again. Now after the restart, let's see whether copy and paste works or not. I'm just going to paste it right here. So everything works perfect. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.